The 3 of August visitor. The 3 of August visitor. Why are you confused now? I've opened this thing. What's confusing you? See your life. See your life. I'm trying to chat with you around. You are just seeking attention. You'll be hitting the window. Knock, knock, knock. When I come and open the window, it will run off, seeking attention. Are you a karmic bird? Yeah? A karmic bird that wants to be chased. I tell you people, everything is a message for me. See your life. Look at where I opened for you, giving you attention. Look at where you ran to. See you. Giving you attention. Look at you.